Good day, welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. I'm gonna do the soffit on the gable there today, get that finished up, then I'll buy the fascia and we'll go from there. We gotta rebuild the scaffold because the one of those lifts, they don't fit in, and my buddy Bill, who I got that off, mentioned that to us, and we just happen to have that one outside. So when we brought the one from inside out, it actually has to be on the bottom, not on the top. So that's what we gotta do. Alright, I don't know why the camera stops recording, but battery's low now. I'm gonna go get some 8-inch metal fascia for here because it's gonna be too much. I don't want to be moving the scaffold all around, especially with 2 lifts now, and so we don't want to move it all that way and then have to move it all back to do the metal. So I'm gonna go get the metal and then do it as I go. Alright, I'm back from town. We got 3 pieces of the flashing, or the fascia, 8-inch, so that's going to go up on the gable end. I'll have to get some more later. That stuff is so expensive, that's like over $20 a piece. Not cheap. Get some more gas, just so we have it on hand when we need the Jenny, and Ashley's doing laundry today, so we've needed the Jenny. So I'm going to get back up on the roof, on the stage, to do the fascia on the roof. Alright, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to cut this part off like here, about 16.5 inches, something like that. So up there where I just measured, it'll come down, so the metal will just come down here with the ridge, and then it'll cut off and keep continuing on. So the ridge, this here part, isn't in the way. Alright, now that I got that cut, I'm gonna I won't nail the bottom part of it right there, because a little piece will have to go right there, right? That'll go up underneath it. So I won't nail it right down tight. So I want to be able to keep that slide up underneath a little bit when I do the box return there. Another thing, see those? That's a little bent one, but just reusing ones I took out from other places. Those little small nails, that's what I'm using to fasten it. Okay, this sucks. There's like a gap at the top, so that 8-inch piece, although it measured, you know, it would fit there. The little lip from underneath that comes up under the soffit brings it down a little bit, so it leaves a gap. So I got to get a drip edge up there. I had a drip edge before on the other side, and well, I'm going to need it on this side too, because it's not quite far enough, and there'd be a gap the whole way at the top. So I'm going to have to slide a drip edge in there to cover it in from up to there and then down to there. So I'm going to have to go see if I can get a hold of the store before they close so they can get some drip edge out for me. Alright, I got some. So this here is what I was talking about. Just got to put that up like that, right? And then slide the piece up under here. So that'll cover up that hole. That would be up there. So I have a bunch of this. I'll just try to get one more piece of it tomorrow or something. So I'll finish off this piece that I cut, put this up, and then I'll just go in tomorrow morning to get the rest to finish it off, because it's closing like now. Card was full. Sorry about that, but it happens a lot, I feel like. Might need some bigger SD cards. So this, let me point this up. I guess you didn't see it. So I got that there, over there. I put the drip edge up under here first, and then I slid that up under, then I nailed through the drip edge and through this to hold it up, and then I put a few extra ones part way down on the fascia itself. And she's up there now. Now I'm gonna work on the box return here and throw some metal in that. Alright, so I just measured out a piece for there. I'm going to put it on after, because when it goes up here, I want it to go on top of this and then on top of the one that's going to run here, so I don't have one touching here and then it going up on an angle. So I have it right here, this piece here I'll use. Might have to cut it a little bit more, but I just wrote front right box so I know for later. And here's the piece here I put in the drip edge. So this goes right up there so far. Then I'll go up there, I'll get some more drip edge tomorrow and finish off up there. But that looks pretty good, it turned out alright. And then I'll have to, you know, bend this over, clean that up, make it look pretty. But I think that's gonna be it for today. It's pretty much 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna get down and not do this. I'm gonna pick up some stuff in the morning and, well, get back at her. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, share it. I never say share it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and share it if you would like. If you can think of some people that would want to watch it. It's all free to do that. Help us out. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one.